Menteri Rangba Kejala Megalaya ula pensyai batang ke jingya keren kalong kelenti kebadan kam tam menuweng ye jing artatian ke bedai bat kejing Pynpoi Lynti Rel hari Thaiñ Khasi-Jaintia. Haba keren bat kinong patai kubor. Conrad kongkal sangma ulaong ba ke sorkar kan syemi kisenjam tang lada baroh ki brio kebadan benta ki kloi bane syonglang bane keren bat bane mir jingmut ban poi syakawe ke jingmut. Ulpen pa we kejing sokya bagi sengsan pertai kila persya bat kentaj banwan sekejing yalang jang ke all party meeting kebala khot ek sorkar jela. Conrad kongkal sang mau la kular bagi sorkar kan amsyem ya kanu kanu karai ke batang nak we kaliang. Henry tang ada baru kelas ngoto bat menjurlang ke sorkar ke sesem kiai kene kamat bat ke sorkar pedeng Delhi.
For an all party meeting to discuss this matter, and of course most of the parties didn't come to the meeting, and they just, in fact, some of them even wrote to us saying that we will not be part of this discussion. So that's where we stand. So we have to understand that whether we agree or we disagree, until unless we don't talk, we're not going to reach anywhere. So if you don't want to talk also, and then at the same time when we try to do something, and then you say that why are you doing it now, and why didn't you discuss with us, it's difficult to move forward. So we are very clear, we are going to move forward only when we are able to consult and get everybody on board, and we will not move forward with anything until unless there is some sort of consensus in this. And continuously we are trying to engage with everyone, and we will continue our engagement. We will continue to explain to people about the benefits of this, and we'll try to address the concerns that they may have, and see if we are able to come to a meeting point, following which we would be able to take it to Delhi.